We have array. On top Home panel Modify, from the drop-down menu, activate the command Edit Array. On the drawing field, move the cursor and left mouse button select Array. In command line, activate one of the options. It's maybe columns. Next step, in command line, enter some number, some digit, it's maybe 6, and click enter on the keyboard. And we can specify the distance between columns. It's maybe 600, and click enter on the keyboard. But we have no, excite. Next step, we have another way, simple way. To do that, select array, move the cursor and left mouse button, click on subject. Next step, open the tab array, and we have all options we can change in that tab. Row, change the row to sample, maybe 7, and click enter on the keyboard.